G'day guys, Moose here. Now check this project out, you're gonna love it. Little bottles, some scrap wood, just a few tools, and you're gonna see the best gift ever, I promise. Let's go. We're gonna head to the wood shop. Peace and love. Sawdust and chrome.
Sawdust and chrome.
Everybody loves
Sawdust and chrome.
You gorgeous legends, I told you this is an easy project and we're nearly done. Firstly, if you're new to any of the machines that we use, about to use a drill press, if you're new to it, please check out my safety videos. Super short, sharp, designed to keep you out of harm's way. God forbid you damage something that we cannot grow back. So it's important to me that you're nice and safe. So, this guy. Oh, I've cut extras. And if I'm in a good mood, check out the description because I actually might give one of these away. If you join the family, click the buttons, leave comments, spread the word. Please, you should be anyway. It means the world to me. We're going to use a couple Forstner bits. The little guy is a little bit bigger than the head of the bottle. I've gone 2 sizes bigger because I need a little bit of wiggle room. So that's easy. The base, Forstner bit is a smidge bigger than the base because I want it to locate safely in there and I should have enough room to get the bottle in. So, with the bottles, I've educated guessed that size bottle needs 16 by 9, 16 centimeters tall, 9 centimeters wide, should be an educated guess that the bottle's going to fit. So, kind of for your first one, it is a guess within reason, but once you've got it once, you'll get it forever. So, do the sizing based on your bottles. Marking out. Marking out is super simple. For the base, please make sure you're on the inside. Give me diagonals. Corner to corner, corner to corner, gets me the center because I want you to use this big guy and drill it as far down as you can accurately without punching through the base. Please don't go through. So set up your drill press and the stop if you need to. Make sure it's perfect. For the top piece, make sure you mark it on the top of the top piece because we want to punch a hole all the way through. Now, you need to be careful. You need to go through softly, gently, so you don't damage the underneath more than we need to. So, use a piece of scrap underneath. That'll help as well. So, I think that's it. I think we're going to get into it. So, you guys are going to rock out. I'll do the drilling. Then I'm going to show you a really kind of cool, quick glue up technique. There's no clamps involved. It's the best. All right. You guys rock out. All right, legends, third and final step, the taping / glue up. I'm going to show you how you can tape up miter joints without using any clamps. It's perfect. What I have done, so I've taped one together, no glue, because I wanted to check that it was going to fit, just in case, because there was no point gluing them all up if it wasn't going to be perfect. So if I had to tweak something, I could do it now. But looks like we did a good job with our measurements. I've also got one clamp on this guy down here. I'm going to show you in a second because it doesn't quite sit 100% straight. It's a tiny bit out. So it was throwing out my bottleneck and the alignment of the top circle. So I've got I've clamped it to the bench to make sure it's perfect. So you're going to zoom in. I'm going to show you my taping technique and you guys can rock out. You guys are the best. Cool kids, how many ears do aliens have? A right ear, a left ear, and the final front ear. All right, let's go. So make sure you got these in the correct order. Top, side, base, other side obviously. Use a ruler, just make sure you can get these as straight as best you can. This is why it's so important when we do our miter joints that everything's spot on. Now, use fat tape, use wide tape if you can. Don't be shy with it. Push it down nice and hard. Please make sure your projects are dust free as well. So this should roll up nicely. Oh, hope you can see that nicely. So base, top, good to go. Now, gluing up end grain isn't actually super strong joinery kind of technique. So I normally splash a fair bit of glue in, let it soak for a little while, and then I'll add a little bit more. It just soaks into the end grain pretty quick. Don't be shy with the glue because it's easy to clean up. Have your spare bit ready to go. Now hold it as best you can in exactly where you want it. Wipe off the excess. Nice and tight. Pull the stirrup down. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Now, take your time cleaning up the inside glue. It's obviously a lot easier to do it now than down the track. That's it. See you guys tomorrow. Final sand, a little bit of finish. They're going to be brilliant. Peace and love. G'day you beautiful people, day 2 and we're pretty much done. All I've done today is taken the tape off and given it a quick sand with some 240 grit. Totally up to you how fussy you want to be with your sanding, go nuts. But my hot tip with the sanding is, don't be too heavy-handed. Like I was saying earlier, miter joints aren't a very strong joint and there's no strengthening parts to this, so don't be too heavy-handed or you're going to crack your project apart. Totally up to you if you want to add any extra strength. Oiling, again, I'm a fan of Scandinavian oil. Sometimes at school we just use cheap food oil just to give it a bit of a finish. I actually don't mind how they look now and I might just leave them natural. I'm not sure yet. With your bottles, this is where I want you to get creative and send me some of your cool pictures. My first 3 ideas were, I'm a fan of, I actually might chuck in some beach sand, one of my favourite places, with a couple tiny shells. I think that'll look cool. I think dried flowers will look alright. Something I might raid the garden. And if I don't have a green thumb, but I reckon it'd be cool, bit of water to grow something out of it. A succulent maybe, or something with a bit of colour. Go nuts, show me what you're up to. Now, last of all, as always, what I love about these projects is it's an intro to a few tools, some new skills. You might have bought some new kit, and we got to make something that is beautiful and is going to last a long time. That's the best thing about everything to do with sawdust and chrome. So I'm so pleased you're a part of the family. Spread the word, share the love, and have a great day. Peace and love. G'day guys, Moose here, and you're not going to want to miss this. I'm going to turn a couple cheap shop little wine bottles, they're not wine bottles. Third and final step is the glue up. I'm going to show you, sorry. Beautiful legends, dad joke. What do you call a parrot that's cold? A bird.